Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create perfect page folder challenge video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, make sure you have updated your TikTok application so you will get the latest version of TikTok. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. You just need to search for the TikTok app and then you can update your TikTok. Just click on the update icon, and after the TikTok has been updated, you can go to your TikTok application. But wait guys, it's still updating. Wait a minute. Okay, and I'm just going to pause this video and I'll be right back after my TikTok has been updated. Okay, and now the TikTok has been updated and I'm going to open up my TikTok. And wait guys, I'm just going to click on open. And here in the TikTok, we can go to the search menu right here on the top right corner. And then you can search for the perfect page challenge. Okay, this one. Okay, and then you can choose the perfect page challenge you want to use. Here I have two options guys, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then we can click on use this effect. Okay, and here you can start to make your own video. You can select the duration you want to apply to your video, and I'm just going to select 10 minutes. Okay, then we can click on this button to start the challenge. I think this filter is not working well on my phone, so I'm just going to select the second folder. Do, re, mi, fa, 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 do, la, di, da, la. Okay, perfect. And I'm just going to go back and discard. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create perfect page folder challenge video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.